Have you ever used a lint roller before? Try mine out. Up and down for lint on clothing and furniture. Picks up pet hair people here. We all do shed.
That's great.
It'll pick up fine things like dirt, dust, and sand in the car, right? All the sand. Maybe you got cats too. I use kitty litter in my demo just because we know how messy that is. Good for in the car, the truck, on the floorboards, the carpets, the seats, the floor mats. Now no more peeling sheet after sheet on a paper lint roller.
Wow.
All you do is rinse it. How's that? Was that easy?
That was very easy.
So check that out. Normally that's 6 to 10 sheets. With ours, you just rinse it. Warm to hot water, Dawn dish soap makes it brand new. The towel dries in only 5 seconds and it's ready to go. It will not wear out. It will not dry out. It stays sticky for life. We guarantee it. Now you're going to get a cover for it. You get our travel sizes for the purse, the glove box, the suitcase, your pocket. But everyone loves my big one. For the sofa and the bed. Under the sofa and bed where the vacuum doesn't reach. Up high for cobwebs and spider webs. All standard fan blades do pass through the center slot. You can dust the fans. It is good for hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, linoleum, porcelain, marble. In the bathroom for long hairs, beard hairs, chest hairs, and mystery hairs. Makeup powder, baby powder, kitty litter, even all that Christmas glitter. Just rinse it, towel dries, it's ready to go. Now real quick, does anybody sweep?
How much are they?
Thanks for asking. I sell the 2-piece retail online. It normally sells for $60 with a forever guarantee. If anything happens to it, my personal cell phone's on the box. You'll call me, not 1-800, we peaky no English, and I'll send you a brand new one. You never buy another one ever again. We replace it even if the dog or cat chews it. We're going to give you an extra travel size today, and our $60 floor model, not for sale. Today it's yours free with the set. All 4 are show specials, half price, $60 guaranteed for life. Now real quick, does anybody sweep? When you're sweeping hair, fur, and dust with a regular broom, where does it always go?
Everywhere.
It floats all over the place. It gets stuck in the broom. Maybe y'all got cats, kitty litter, watch this. So easy a man can do it. It will not float, nor will it get lodged in the bristles. Wet or dry, indoors or out, put your solution down, scrub, flip it over, squeegee on the back. You can wash everything from the windows to the walls. Great for baseboards, concrete, shower doors, tiles, jacuzzis, and pool liners. You will own a broom until the day you die. Make it a good one. It's the last one you'll buy. $60 online with a lifetime guarantee on the head. My show price is half price, just $30. We do take cash or card. How many would you like?